Okay, so this is the first equation we'll be going over today, and it involves finding the potential energy of a charge in space. And it is U is equal to QV, where U is the potential energy, Q is the charge of the particle, and V is the electric potential of the particle, and V is in units of volts. And so if you know the value of any of these two variables, you can simply solve for the third one by using this equation. And that, again, is how you find the electric potential energy of a charged particle. Second equation we'll be going over is this equation. And this is about conservation of energy. So the energy that you start with, your initial energy, will be equal to the final energy. And a charged particle can have a kinetic energy and a potential energy, and it can also end with a kinetic energy and a potential energy. And as we know, kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv squared, where m is the mass and v is the velocity of the particle. And just like we discussed in the last equation, the potential energy can be found by U is equal to qv, where q is the charge of the particle and v is the voltage of the particle. So you have to be careful because this V is for velocity and this is for volts. And so if you set this side and this side equal to each other, then the values should be the same. And that is that equation.